The best gift you can give your children is for you to be emotionally healthy and for you to have a healthy relationship with your spouse. It's so very important, because children who grow up in households where there's a lot of conflict between the parents, they don't feel secure. They feel very insecure, and they develop anxiety disorders and depression. So the best thing that you can possibly do for your children's emotional health is to work on yourself and work on your relationship with your spouse. Take a look at the inside. How is your home? How do your children feel when they come home? How does your spouse feel when they're home? Right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that our homes are for us to find sakina and tranquility. It's so important to talk to our children in a positive way. That's how we build their self-esteem. Think about how the Prophet ﷺ spoke to Hassan and Hussein. You know what he used to say? He used to say, these boys right here, they're the chiefs of the youth of paradise. Because guess what? The way you speak to your children is going to be your children's self-talk when they're older. That's the way that they're going to view themselves. That's the way that they're going to talk to themselves when they're older. Most importantly, not compare our children to other children, because that hurts. Would you like it if your wife said, hey, you know what, honey? Fatima's husband does this, this, and that. Why don't you do it? That would hurt, right? So imagine how it feels to say that to a child. Don't ever compare.